Hello all, I am Darshana Pillai, Aviation and Hospitality Faculty. Welcome all of you to my video and to the world of service industry. Maybe you may all heard about the word hospitality. Today I am going to talking about hospitality management, its advantages and job opportunities. What do you mean by hospitality? Hospitality means taking care of your guest. It is an art of delivering better customer satisfaction to people. Hospitality industry is one of the best blooming and budding industries in the world. It is a global industry and its canvas is widespread. As tourism is nourishing, every country is improving its hospitality standards. Thus, hospitality professionals are getting more and more job opportunities all over the world. Thus, hospitality industry needs hospitality professionals who have better skill sets and managerial capabilities. Hospitality professionals are getting a scope to work in local, national and international levels. There are several sectors coming under hospitality industry. Food and service management, catering service, tours and travels, event management, accommodation and lodging, etc. are coming under hospitality industry. Apart from this, like airlines and railways, e-commerce ventures, sales and marketing departments, and so many other companies and corporating level companies are also need hospitality professionals for giving better satisfaction to guests. Those who would like to be a part of this industry need certain key skills: good communication skills, professional attitude, leadership qualities, responsible and respectful to everyone, and positivity need to maintain. Need patience, smiling face, and good grooming standards. Let's discuss hospitality and tourism industry advantages. More career options are there in this industry. Varied work responsibilities. It is actually a people oriented work. We are dealing directly with people. Highly flexible hours. We will be getting flexible duty hours. Room for long term career growth. Career growth is more and higher salary or perks. Also, it is a powerful industry because tourism is the world's largest and fastest growing industry. Diverse and dynamic work environment, which means a variety of career path is there in this industry. It's flexible, as I said. This industry is not like a 9 to 5 job. We will be having different shift and work schedules. Great atmosphere and environment we will be getting. Great salary or perks we will be getting. It is easy to get entry to this industry and also career advancement. We are having endless opportunities. It is a global industry and it is a creative industry, like we are creating our day. Well, before conclude about this industry, always put a smile on someone's face while you're working in this industry. It is a great industry to be in and you will definitely get career advancement. Always choose a job you love and you will never have to work in your life. Thank you for watching me and I'm wishing you everyone a bright future ahead. Thank you.